Hey everybody, it's Roya. Today's painting was such a blast for me that it made me think that we always will have things to do. And in those moments that we're enjoying the moment so much that we don't want it to end, it's a tiny reminder for us in other situations to remember that we will always have things to do, and we don't have to mistake the current action with a means to an end. We don't have to think this action is there for it to be end and lead to the arriving point, because there's ultimately no destination. There's nothing but journey. And if there's an action that it's not worthy of its duration, then it's the waste to take that action. But there's also this quality of mind that it's necessary for capitalizing of what that moment has to offer, because there is something to be offered by tiny little building block of our days. And those mundane everyday things that we think we have to do, but there are a bunch of means to an end. It's a reminder that it might not be like that, and the journey might be actually the thing itself. And I think that's factually true, because if I reach that particular end point, whatever that is, that's a moment. But the whole thing was the majority of the time that would have been wasted without that quality of attention. And the painting is the perfect illustration of that. Let's paint.